विजाप्रन्योकार CSR ॲक्टिव्हिटी अंतर्गत राज्यात स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाचेर सरकारान भर घाला. गोय प्लास्टीक मुक्त करपाक दर एकल्यान पावल उखलचें म्हण मुखेलमंत्र्यान आवाहन केलां. साउथ इंडियन बँक आनी विजय बँकान पणजे महापालिकेक नितळसाण राखपाक मदतीचो हात दिला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
The part of the CSR activity granted by the Government of India. So let us all come together, stop use of non-biodegradable, non-recyclable plastics, including carry bags. Start making the habit right now so that when the ban comes, you won't be in trouble. The ban will come, but before that, if we can get 50% rid of the carry bags, I think that will be a big achievement. I once again congratulate the banks, CCP and all those who are involved.
It's a privilege to have partnered with you for initiatives. Coincidentally, it also happens to be 90th year of our bank. Our bank was founded 90 years back by a group of 44 people in Thrissur, and today as we speak we are present all across the country, and in Goa itself we have 5 branches and we are coming up with more branches. This is an initiative which is one of the biggest initiatives by the Government of India, and we are very glad that we could also participate in this initiative. Let me assure you, my friends, as we go forward from here, we will continue to participate with you and partner with you towards all such causes.
The Corporation City of Panjim is very grateful to these two banks, South Indian Bank and Vijay Bank. When I was the mayor for the first time, it was South Indian Bank who gave us the first truck, and from that time the luck has been coming to CCB as far as CSR is concerned. Again, Vijay Bank also have always come forward to help our corporate social responsibility. This year, South Indian Bank, beside taking up this 18 June road sweeping for 1 year, they also supported us with 6 weed cutting machines. I am thankful to the South Indian Bank and the country head, who we could click immediately on the first meeting. Also the same thing with Vijay Bank. Their DGM could not arrive today, but again we will have a small function. I look forward. We are in touch with Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank and Yes Bank. I hope these banks too come forward to help the Corporation City of Panjim to keep the city clean.
Today's function is part of Swachh Bharat mission initiated by Government of India, in which all the cities, all the municipalities have to ensure that city is clean 24/7. And in this initiative, 2 banks of the city, Vijaya Bank and South Indian Bank, have joined hands with CCP. Each bank have taken up the responsibility of cleaning one road. South Indian Bank will clean 18th June road, Vijaya Bank will clean MG road under their CSR initiative. So